Hello everybody. A lot of you asked how to enter an address to navigate to in a Garmin Nuvi GPS for which you don't have the zip code, the address for which you don't have a zip code. Now, if you don't have the zip code, you could easily enter the city, and if you are already in that city where you're going, here's how you will proceed. Okay, so I am currently in Spring Valley, California. So if I want to go to a different address in Spring Valley, California, here's what I do. I go to where to, and then it already says Spring Valley here, so I don't need to change. I'll enter address. Oh yeah, I remember the 7-Eleven. It's the closest to my house is 10777, and then go next. The name of the street is Yamasha Boulevard. It's actually pronounced Hamasha Boulevard. So you choose that. And then it gives you a suggestion. And it even gives you the suggestion for the zip code, which you don't need to worry about. You just click on go. And you basically entered an address without even knowing the zip code for that particular address. So it's very simple. Very simple. All right. Thank you for watching.